The Photo Albums application facilitates effortless management and sharing of all your photos. Organize your photos into categories and create personalized albums. Share these albums with family and friends to cherish and preserve memories together. When you use it for the first time, go to Control Panel, User Management, and open your personal folder to enable the album function. The album function will automatically categorize photos based on various dimensions. On the photo page, you can upload photos and perform tasks such as view size, change to timeline view, sort, display, and filter. Rapidly retrieve relevant results by inputting keywords into the search box, and then click to access detailed information. The Albums page is divided into system-created albums and user-created albums. Users can create an album, change view size, conduct sorting, and apply filtering operations. In the tools, you can manage friend uploads, share management, search for similar or duplicate photos, and operate on blurred photos. Click on the avatar in the upper right corner to enter the settings page. You can customize the location of the gallery. In General Settings, you can set the operation to be taken when a duplicate file is encountered, as well as function permission settings. AI Settings allows you to manage the smart model of the album. For example, to manipulate blurred photos in the toolbox, it is necessary to download the Blurry Photo Recognition Intelligent Model.